Let's see how to create offers. Click on new, add scheme name. Like we can take an example of Monday offer. Okay. Next we can add promo code. It's not compulsory. If you want to add, you can add like MONDAY. You can add offer descriptions as well. Next is offer duration. Like if you want to start the offer from 7th of November and the offer will be end on 30th of November. So you can select end date 30th of November. And next is timings. If you want uh, to start offer from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., just add the timings. And next is applicable on days, in which days you want to applicable this offer. Like this is a Monday offer, so we can add we can select Monday. If you want to select all, you can click on just select all.